I will explain, sir.
This is the line 1. This is normally closed. Push button, normally close. Line 1. Then, normally open. Push button, open. Then, magnetic contactor,
Hmm.
overload protector. Then, line 2.
Okay.
Then, holding contact from magnetic contactor. That is start. If you push, normally open, so
This one normally close.
normally close.
Okay.
So if I will remove my hand,
Um,
so that means the contactor still energized.
Yes.
Why? Because from here, this one becoming close.
yeah. Okay, sir.
Because the power is continue.
Hmm.
So only you can push the normally close, so you can stop. This is the start. Single push button. Here. See? So I will start. This is the motor.
This is the motor. Stop there.
Stop.
Because bacha, that's why it's playing everywhere.
Stop.
There are six apps.